Hi everyone, this is Alison C, your Teen Service Librarian, and I'm going to show you how to make a fizzy orange sherbet drink that kind of tastes like orange soda. So all you need is a cup. I don't have regular cups, I just have mugs, but any kind of cup works. Some seltzer, and some orange sherbet. It's really easy. Scoop the orange sherbet into the cup as much as you want. I'm going to fill up my cup with orange sherbet. You could add as much or as little as you want, depending on how sherbety you want it. And then you fill the rest of your cup with seltzer. I would use a seltzer that is either orange or like a citrusy flavor, which is what I have, or plain, that works too. And you mix it all up till it's the consistency you want. And then you enjoy. And it tastes like orange soda. It's delicious. Have fun.